This video will show you how to replace the high beam bulb on a Chrysler Town & Country. This will be accessed from along the back side of your headlamp assembly. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on the replacement of our high beam bulb. To do this, let's make our way inside the engine compartment. Now as we look inside the engine compartment here, along the inboard side of the headlamp assembly, this is where we can see our high beam bulb. For the passenger side high beam bulb, you can't turn this counterclockwise to remove it with the electrical connector still connected. So we're going to disconnect that first. The electrical connector will have two locking tabs, one along either side. Take hold of the locking tab, carefully pull it out away from the bulb, and pull it down. As you're doing that, it should become unlocked. Repeat the process for the other side and disconnect it. A quick inspection for corrosion. We'll set that wiring aside. Now let's take hold of the bulb, turn it counterclockwise, and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Now prior to installing our headlamp high beam bulb, let's go ahead and clean the mounting area. For this, I'm using a clean rag, no detergents. We're making sure there's no miscellaneous debris or pre-existing gasket from the original bulb. Okay, let's get ready to install our headlamp high beam bulb. We'll take this and get it in position. Once it feels as though it's aligned, continue on pressing it in and turn it clockwise to lock it in position. Once you feel as though you have it in the proper position, give it a wiggle. It should not move around in any way. We want to make sure it's properly seated. After that, just continue on with your electrical connector. Line it up, press it in, listen for a click. Double check, make sure that's secure. Now the next thing we want to do is test the functionality of each one of the bulbs. After that, of course, align them to the proper specifications and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.